Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team official channel. In this video tutorial I will teach you how to fix wait a minute. I will show you how to fix the USB boot device here. It said that we couldn't find we couldn't find the drivers. So now here is the hard drive. Here it is a hard drive, and here is the USB storage and port here. But when we set up, we don't see the USB, we don't see the hard drive inside this. So now I'm gonna click F8 on the desktop. So click that, and it will asking you how to boot from. Now I'm gonna select from the USB device here. Okay, now select USB and hit enter. And so is what wrong with that? Now I'm gonna check all together and wait a few minutes. It is always happen to the new version of the PC. And now we're gonna choose English language here, and now gonna tap it, select on the next. Okay, now click that, and you will see the window is setting up right now. Okay, and now I'm gonna choose the window version. For example, I use this Pro version. Okay, now we're gonna click space to check this one, and I'm gonna hit enter, and then we choose the driver option here. Now you see it is an empty. There is no driver installed on that. So to fix that, you need to unplug the USB here. And here is the trick that we couldn't find any drivers. Okay, and here is the version of the already set up. So now we're gonna go to a website that's called this one. Okay, now okay, and you go to the Google search, and then type this name, Intel SSD drivers here, and it will take you to this website. When you click on the top, it will take you to this website, and now you download the one that it is your Windows 64-bit and zip. After you download it, you get this file and extract it with WinRAR. You get this file, and you extract it to the folder here, this one, and then copy it to your USB driver. Now I'm gonna plug the USB. Okay, now I'm gonna plug the USB here. Okay, now the USB already plugged now, and now copy that, and then go to your USB flash, and then pass it here. Now I'm gonna delete this one first, and pass it. Wait a few minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna pass it back. It only makes 6 megabytes now. And after you have already insert it, you need to take back your USB plus and then plug it again to your laptops or other PC. Okay, now you already plugged that, and then you're gonna click on you need to insert your mouse pointer. Now insert mouse pointer here, because sometimes it's very difficult to click when you use mouse pointer. Is the best way, the best method here. Now I'm gonna click on load driver here. Okay, load driver, and now I'm gonna click on browse, and you make sure that you have a USB installed. Here is the USB, so gonna click on that, and you will see this folder that we have already just copy it from the other PC. Now click on that, and you will see the files that is one is on the top and the other is on the both. So now you're gonna choose one among of that, and then you're gonna click next, and it will loading like this. After it loading like this, you will see all the driver that you have been installed. Now okay, now all the file is already now it is appearing. Now you can delete. Okay, you can delete one by one. Now I'm gonna click delete, and also delete this. And now the file size is only 500 gigabytes. And now you can create a new pattern here. Now I don't need to change too much, but I want to make it into the two drives, C and D. So I need to click delete number 4 and add number 1 instead here. And now we're gonna click apply and okay, and you wait for a while and make sure that you have choose drive 1 partition 4, and here is unallocated space. You can you create it also. Okay, now it works, and now you're gonna install the partition 4, because the 3 above is a recovery file, so you need to install it on the partition 4. Now we'll click that and wait to see it work or not. Okay, it is working now. It's working now, and okay, it is installing now, getting file ready for installation. The person is loading to 2%, now 3%, and I hope you guys have solved this problem by doing this step with me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, my iaStorVD official here. Now I'm gonna click close that. Okay, here's the channel, my iaStorVD official channel, and you can comment or if you have a problem with setting up your Windows, please leave me a comment below and I will try to search and find the resolution for you. Okay, now after you have been using my files, the window is now already set up here.
Is that right?
So let's use my files. Everyone remember that, or read my comment below, read my description below. You will see all other file is not supported. So the thing that you need to do is use my file that I have put the link in my description. Otherwise don't use the other file. And now after we have already installed it, you need to select your keyboard. Now I'm gonna use United States.
Your keyboard is set to US.
Okay.
Do you also type with another keyboard?
Skips.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way
Okay,
you can get
now we're
updates.
gonna skip for now
Type what you
also.
want to name your account.
And now I'm gonna use my name. Okay. And now we're gonna start
Okay, now
that,
type a password for your account.
and we skip the password.
Hey, look, it's the me part of setup. Can I
I
have
said
permission?
yes.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead
And
review them.
close all of this
Select
time
accept when you're
because
ready.
we don't want that. And then click on accept.
Okay, that's the last step.
Okay, the last steps. And here is the highs. It said highs, everybody. Now we are ready to look at several minutes now. And here we go, guys. It already works now. The Windows 10 is already successfully with the 11th generation of Intel. Now I think this video is very helpful, and I hope you have been all subscribe my channel, and you will get more video from me from my channel, and I will teach you all to do that. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.